Guide the students in blending the three sounds together slowly, first the beginning consonant, then the vowel, and finally the ending consonant. After blending, encourage them to say the whole word quickly. Repeat the blending process several times until the students can confidently and clearly pronounce the word. These words help children develop phonemic awareness by identifying individual sounds and blending them to form complete words. Since CVC words are often familiar and concrete, they are easier for young learners to understand and remember. Practicing with CVC words also builds confidence as students experience success in reading early on.